Hello? Hello? Ah, that's better. These lanterns, or Christmas balloons, will light up your darkest days. So let's get creative and I'll show you how to make them. I already prepared these balloons in another project we made. Maybe you remember that handsome snowman? Watch that video, it's fun, and let me know what you think of it. I will show you parts of that video to show you exactly how to make and work with papier-mâché. Furthermore, we need some decoration for this project and I'll show you what we need. First, some glitter, some sparkly wire, and some Christmas tree ribbons. And furthermore, we need the basics, like hot glue, scissors, normal glue, and a brush. The first layer is ready. Now let it dry for a day or two before you can apply the next layer. Disco disco. I think you saw me use them before. For this project, we're gonna use battery-powered LED strips. This one has about 10 lights. It will give plenty of light for the lanterns we're making. At a later stage, we also want to hang them. To attach the rope inside, I already cut these wood pieces and it will hold the rope from the inside of the lantern. Oh, people are gonna hate on me for this. Sorry. That's so stupid. So for the green lantern, maybe some red stars and some golden snowflakes. Our Christmas balloons are done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know if you make them yourself and how they turned out. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel, like the video and leave a comment behind. I really want to know what you're making, what you're creating. If you have any ideas, let me know. I hope to see you in the next video. And with that, I wish you a Merry Christmas. Bye.